guys, what is up? It's Grace and it is currently November 10th and I'm filming this week's video. And I couldn't figure out what to film specifically because my life is just slammed with homework right now. So I thought to just film a video to college students because I know I'm not the only one. It is like 3 weeks from finals week, so life's a little crazy. So I thought that I would just have a little note of encouragement to my fellow college students this week. And just tell you guys that you can do it, you can write that paper, you can study for that exam, and you are going to do great on it. This doesn't last forever, honestly, who even knows, but you could win the lottery before then, so keep your head up. Life is just a crazy thing, and you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Take study breaks. Take lots of study breaks. It has been proven that when you take breaks and study, and then take another break and then study and rotate off, you are more likely to retain the information. Don't wait until last minute, please. Also, take some time for yourself. Don't forget that the reason behind everything that you do, and a healthy you is a happy you, and you can't really love others until you love yourself. So take some time and drink some tea or hot chocolate, watch a movie, take a bath. Don't forget that you're important and you matter, and you're in this to better yourself. So keep that in mind and don't destroy yourself in the process. Don't forget to eat. That's when you should just... If you eat some pizza, don't worry about your body. Don't worry about what it makes your body look like. You're in survival mode. You'll work it off later. But if pizza's all you can find and you're torn between not eating and eating something unhealthy, because I've been there, just go for it. You're gonna be fine. If you can't eat something healthy though, that's gonna make your brain stronger. It's gonna make you happier. I know that I'm in a bad mood every time I eat something that's like not good for me. I don't know if that's like normal, so keep in mind food is important. Food fuels your body as well as sleep. It is more important to get sleep and be prepared to rock the next day than to stay up stressing yourself out about tests and exams. That's the same thing. Tests and whatever is in store for the next day than to not get sleep. Wait, does that make any sense? Basically, get sleep. It's important and it's gonna be essential if you are going to make it through this, which you are. That's really it, I think. Take your medicine. Don't forget to do that either. That's really all I have for this week. I just wanted to say a quick little note of encouragement to everyone who is stressed to the max right now. It's gonna be fine. Christmas is right around the corner and you get to spend so much time with your family soon, and you can do it. I believe in you. I'm praying for you. I have hope in you, and I'm your biggest fan basically. Bye guys, have a good week.